When most of us are inside, he's outside.
He's hunting down storms. He's Panama City's resident storm chaser. Joseph Mandeville takes some of the most stunning pictures you may ever see.
Our local storm chaser, Joseph Mandeville, and his wife Melissa. These people do such great things for our community.
And if his name looks familiar, Mandeville is no stranger to TV news viewers.
I do not encourage you to put yourself in harm's way, but I am certainly appreciative of the folks who go out and get some fantastic pictures and videos. This is Joseph Mandeville of the Squall Line.
Our friend Joseph Mandeville says, he likes to go into the storm.
Our weather spotter, weather observer, weather photographer, Joseph Mandeville.
Joseph Mandeville, who was out chasing the storms down in Mexico Beach.
Veteran storm tracker Joseph Mandeville went to check out the scene.
That's it, yep, you can see it right there. Clear as day, right there. It's in the rain though, it's in the rain. It's in the rain. That's it right there, it's gigantic. Look at this. You gotta call your dad. It's coming right up your way. It's coming right up your way. Real flat down traffic happening right now. Oh my God, look at that. Shit, man. That's it. That thing. Yeah, it's coming towards the house. Take cover now. Now. No bullshit. It's coming right towards you. It's humongous. It's a giant tornado. It's coming right towards you. I'm not lying. It's huge. It's huge. It's the biggest one that I've ever seen in my life, and it's coming right towards my house. It's humongous. It's a giant tornado. It's coming right towards you. I'm not lying. It's huge. It's huge. It's heading towards you right now, I'm telling you. I'm not. It's right here. It's right here. It's right here at the marina. It just passed right in front of us.